Soham's Indian School of Purpose and Impact organized the first edition of Emerging Global Change Makers during the summer break of 2024. That not only provided amazing learning opportunities to the high schoolers from the big cities, but also busted the myth among them that Bihar would be an unsafe place for the immersion. From learning how Panchayat functions to exploring local food, and from mentoring students of the government school to immersing into a conversation with trafficking survivors. The participants had some of the most transformational experiences during the immersion. As teaching and mentoring was one of the core focuses, participants engaged with government school kids and provided career guidance, exposing local students to various career options.
I have taught kids in the government school and interact with them. They all have dreams, but to fulfill these dreams, they do not know what to do. They just have dreams.
It's very, very grateful to just be there. I kept sort of like repeatedly telling them, finish 12th grade, study really hard. This is because the only way, like the simplest way to move on and rise in your life is through your education.
पहली बार मैंने ऐसा देखा था कि 9th तक की भैया पढ़ा रहे हैं और हमारे यहाँ तो 9th तक के भैया लोग तो पढ़ ही रहे। अब मैंने कहा कि दूर से आए पढ़ाने के लिए और उन्होंने इतने अच्छे से पढ़ाया जैसे कि वो माना मेरे क्लास टीचर हो। यहाँ पे वैसा नहीं होता है कि 9th 10th के भैया पढ़ाते हैं।
Participants explored local governance systems and learned from planning to the execution of developmental projects directly by the elected leaders at Panchayat and municipal level.
We learned about how they function and it was very different from the textbooks that we learned.
The Mukhya here told us everything, like how the panchayat works, what are the insides of the panchayat, and how people gather together, and how everything is separated. Like they're classified. Like this section will handle this area and this will handle this area. They also told some challenges that they experience.
Participants visited Araria district, where an NGO called Bhumika Vihar is working with women who are survivors of women trafficking and on gender issues. Visiting villages and interacting with survivors helped them gain empathy on these critical societal issues.
When we met those women, it was very upsetting to know that the society is so monstrous and the victims here, they're so weak that they can't speak up for themselves and they're shy, they do not get the confidence to speak up for themselves.
Because what Bhumika Vihar does, such an exemplary job that they're doing. They're coming here and they're helping victims out, making them start little businesses and really like elevating their life.
Furthermore, engaging in creative activities such as Madhubani painting and analyzing case study on women entrepreneurship further enriched their experience. Madhubani painting sessions allowed participants to immerse themselves in local culture. Bihar Immersion in Katihar offered students an immersive experience into the region's natural beauty, education system, and societal dynamics, moving beyond theoretical knowledge. This program developed essential skills such as empathy, problem solving, teamwork, collaboration, and close understanding of society and local governance. By engaging in hands-on activities and community interactions, participants developed a well-rounded perspective, preparing them to contribute effectively to society. The Bihar Immersion program was a transformative experience that bridged academic learning with real-world applications. The immersion also gave them the opportunity to explore a state that has negative image for being unsafe. Participants never experienced any safety issue and truly enjoyed their time in Bihar.
मेरे एक्सपेक्टेशन से तो डेवलप बहुत ज़्यादा है कटिहार।
मेरे को बहुत मज़ा आया इन लोगों को पढ़ाने में।
पहले मेरे को लगता था कि बिहार में किडनैपिंग वगैरह बहुत होती थी यहाँ पे, और मैं जब यहाँ आया ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बहुत ही पीसफुल लाइफ है, तो आराम से रहते हैं।
यहाँ पे लोग बहुत खुश रहते हैं और एक दूसरे को बहुत वेलकम करते हैं और वो फीलिंग दिल्ली में ज़्यादा दिखती नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा लगता है।